Hey folks, got some juicy leaks for you today about the upcoming Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold. Yep, you heard it right, a foldable Pixel. Let's dive right in. First off, let's talk about the look. The promo images show a device that's nothing short of stunning. The Pixel 9 Pro Fold is expected to have a sleek modern design with a seamless fold. Think of it as merging the best of Google's minimalistic design with cutting-edge foldable tech. The images reveal a near-borderless display when unfolded, making it perfect for media consumption, gaming, and multitasking. The hinge design looks sturdy and refined, definitely a step up from previous foldable attempts across the industry. Now, on to the back. The Pixel 9 Pro Fold seems to sport a triple camera setup positioned vertically. Expect the usual Google magic in computational photography, but now, with even more versatility thanks to the foldable form factor. And oh, the color options. Leaks suggest we might see some bold new colors alongside the classic ones. Matte finishes, shiny finishes. Google's going all out to give us choice. Let's talk specs. Rumor has it we're looking at a 7.6-inch main display with a 120Hz refresh rate. Under the hood, it's likely powered by Google's own Tensor G3 chip, ensuring top-notch performance. And with up to 12 GB of RAM and 512 GB of storage, this device is geared up to handle anything you throw at it. Battery life is always a concern with foldables, but sources hint at a 5000 mAh battery with fast charging capabilities. Alright, so what about the price? According to the leaks, the Pixel 9 Pro Fold is expected to start at around $1,799 USD. Yep, it's on the premium side, but considering the cutting-edge tech and innovations packed into this device, it's not too surprising. Plus, Google might offer some enticing trade-in deals or pre-order bonuses to sweeten the deal. So, when can we get our hands on it? If the leaks are accurate, we could see an official announcement in October with pre-orders starting shortly after. Mark your calendars, folks. In summary, the Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold looks like a game changer in the foldable phone market. Stunning design, powerful specs, and a price that reflects its premium nature. Stay tuned for more updates as we get closer to the launch. And that's it for today's leak reveal. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and make sure to subscribe for more tech insights. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one. Techdevil.